Hello friends, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to set up step by step for beginners on Samsung M47. Let's start the video. First of all, just click and hold on side power button. After just click and hold side power button, Samsung logo is showing on your screen. After restarting phone, so here showing you option, select next. After select next, so allow permissions and enter phone fingerprint. After setup fingerprint, so if you want to set up face ID, so set up face ID and click on next. Enter Wi-Fi password. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.